feeling low, you can't hide that from me. You're no status quo calico, so I keep trying to be, cause you're more than.
Naki-fear ba na mura mag-NPC sa world?
You're a doggish cat. I wish you could see that you I see.
More lang okay ng go with the flow lang sa world or dili mag-aim for a higher thing. Which is okay naman. Ganahan ko mag-be contented na sa kaya basta mag-burn out ko, ganahan ko sa kaya basta kapunin ko, ganahan ko
I say if you bark, celebrate it. Make your mark, serenade it. No one's heart should have had a cat like you. And if what you are is a strange you, doesn't mean you should change you. All it means you should change your point of view.
Pero, mahadlok po ko tungod kay naka-experience mga ganahan ko, Mahadlok ko, kay, o mag-stay ako sa place. Minsan na may ko sa family. I mean, akong dreams nga, like, may stadium, may eskwelahan. Mag-hire ko nila para di na sila mag-work sa layo. Minsan na may tabuan. If mag-stay still ko, minsan may tabuan, di ba? Wala, dili na lang ako makabot if mag-stay ako sa place.
I feel on you fetch just fine to thine old self be true. Your bow wows the cat meow it.
But also, nahadlok po ko, what if makabutan ako? And then, well, saan meron ko tayo kaman?
There is not one hair of you that I would rearrange.
Pero I guess nga naman, di ba? There are dreams ng tao. Ikaw man sa ka-dream na pala yung dream ng tao. Pero what if di na tinuod? Or tinuod yun na? Face her with me.
I love you the way you are, and that will never.
Lala ko yung muscles. Shit! Hindi ko lagi ang gamot. Grabe, bay. Nag-13 ako, bay. Mag-glow up na gid ko.
Change that will never change.